Hey everyone, so today I'm just going to quickly show you how to adjust the height of your dishwasher. If you take a look at mine here, and yours may be similar, you can see on the edge how it kind of sticks out further at the top and does at the bottom, so it kind of looks like it's leaning forward. It's kind of just bothersome to me, so I'm going to see if I can fix that today, and then hopefully you can do the same if this same issue is going on with your dishwasher. Just to show you quickly here, the specific model I have, it's a Whirlpool, and just to give you a look at the inside to see if this matches yours, but really most of these should have pretty much the same method for adjusting the feet at the bottom. First thing we'll need to do though is just take off these two screws holding this bottom panel in place, and then we'll get a look underneath. It's going to be a little bit difficult to see, but you can see there's just these 2 feet here, and they just have an Allen wrench key up there that you'll need to twist that. You can twist it clockwise in order to raise it up, or counterclockwise in order to lower it down. And then you've got the same thing going on the other side. So I'm just going to do that quickly here with my Allen wrench, and then we'll see if that gets it where I want it. All right, just to show you there, it's looking much better. It's not completely perfect, but it is much more flush with the countertop. And then if you look here at the side, it's not nearly as angled as it used to be. Could maybe do a little bit better. I'd have to get access to the back feet, but I'm actually a lot more happy with how that looks than it did before. So now I just need to put that bottom cover back on, and then we'll be all good. All right, a pretty simple one today, but thank you for tuning in. If you got value from this video, I appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to be notified of future DIY content, and we'll see you here on the next one.